Every night we close our eyes and drift away. It's the most natural thing in the world. But what if I told you that how you sleep could add years to your life, or quietly take them away? Meet Mary and John, neighbors for 15 years. Both 70 years old, both retired, both living what most people would call the good life. Mary worked as a nurse for 40 years. She's used to irregular hours, quick naps between shifts, catching sleep whenever she could. Old habits die hard.
Already tired. Maybe I'll lie down after lunch.
Next door, John is starting his day differently. He was a teacher. Every morning at 6:30, like clockwork, he wakes up. Every night at 10:30, he goes to bed. No exceptions.
7 hours, 30 minutes. Perfect.
You look bright-eyed this morning.
8 hours last night. You?
Maybe 5, 6? I don't know. I dozed off on the couch for an hour yesterday afternoon, then couldn't sleep until past midnight.
You know I worry about those naps of yours.
What's wrong with a nap? I'm retired. Besides, I'm tired. My body's telling me I need rest.
But are you listening to the right message?
It's a debate as old as retirement itself. Should we nap? How much sleep is enough? And does it really matter once we're older? For years, the answers seemed flexible, personal, a matter of preference. But science was about to change everything. While Mary and John were having their coffee, researchers were completing one of the largest sleep studies ever conducted on older adults. They tracked thousands of people in their 60s and 70s. Not for weeks or months, but for years. They wanted to know, does sleep really matter for heart health? And if so, how much and what kind?
The results are significant. Very significant.
A year has passed. Mary's sleep patterns haven't changed much.
Just an hour. What time is it? 4 o'clock?
Mary doesn't feel refreshed. If anything, she feels worse. Foggy, disconnected, and tonight she knows she'll struggle to fall asleep again. Meanwhile, John maintains his routine. Same bedtime, same wake time, 7 days a week.
Good night, world.
It might seem boring, restrictive even, but John's body has learned to trust this rhythm. His heart rate slows, his blood pressure drops, his brain begins its nightly maintenance work.
Your blood pressure is elevated, Mary, higher than I'd like to see.
I've been feeling tired a lot, run down.
Tell me about your sleep.
Same as always. I get some sleep at night, nap during the day when I need to.
How much at night?
I don't know, 5, maybe 6 hours?
And the naps?
An hour, sometimes 2.
Mary, I want to talk to you about something important. There's been some significant research on sleep and heart health in older adults. The findings are, well, they're changing how we think about sleep.
The study followed adults with an average age of 70, thousands of them, for years. They divided people into groups based on their sleep habits. Those who slept 7 to 9 hours per night, those who slept less than 7, those who slept more than 9, and those who took long naps, more than 30 minutes during the day. Then they tracked cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, strokes, heart failure. The people who slept 7 to 9 hours per night with no long naps, they had the lowest risk, significantly lower. Those who slept less than 7 hours, higher risk. More than 9 hours, higher risk. Long naps, significantly higher risk.
The numbers don't lie, Mary. Sleep quality, sleep duration, they're not just about feeling rested. They're about protecting your heart.
I had no idea.
Most people don't. We've always thought of sleep as optional flexibility, especially in retirement. But your cardiovascular system, it's keeping score.
Mary went home that day with a lot to think about. She was 70 years old. Her heart was already showing strain. Could changing something as simple as sleep really make a difference? She thought about John, his routine, his energy, the way he never seemed to struggle the way she did.
John, it's Mary. Can we talk? I saw my doctor yesterday. She told me about this sleep study.
Go on.
John, I think you've been right all along about the sleep, the routine, all of it. I need to change.
Tell me what you're thinking.
I need to stop the long naps. I need to sleep through the night, a full 7 or 8 hours. But I don't know how. I've been doing this for so long.
Then let me help you.
The first week was hard, really hard. Breaking the nap habit meant fighting years of conditioning. When tiredness hit, Mary had to do something different. Walk, read, call a friend, anything but lie down. The nights were worse. Her body didn't know how to sleep for 8 hours straight anymore.
5 days. Just keep going.
Then, on day 14, something changed.
I slept. I actually slept 8.5 hours.
Mary, your blood pressure is down, significantly.
Really?
How's the new sleep routine?
It was hard at first, but now I can't imagine going back. I feel alive again, clear, like my brain works properly for the first time in years.
That's because it does. When you sleep properly, your brain clears out waste, your heart gets real rest, your body repairs itself. You're giving yourself the maintenance you need.
I wish I'd known this years ago.
You know it now. That's what matters.
Morning, Mary. 7:30 wake up?
6:45 actually. Slept like a rock.
Look at you. Join the club.
You know what the best part is? I have so much more time now. Real, useful time. I used to waste half my day being tired or napping or recovering from naps. Now I'm actually living.
That's what good sleep gives you. Life.
A year after Mary started her new routine, she and John are still neighbors, still friends, but now they share something deeper, a commitment to the simple, powerful act of sleep. It's not glamorous, it won't make headlines, but every night they're doing something profound. They're protecting their hearts, they're protecting their minds, they're giving themselves the best chance at a long, healthy life. The research was clear. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's not something you can shortchange or borrow against. It's medicine, it's protection, it's life. 7 to 9 hours a night, no long naps. It sounds simple because it is, but simple doesn't mean unimportant.
I wasted years thinking sleep was something I could manage later, deal with whenever. I didn't know I was hurting myself, hurting my heart, but now I do. And if you're watching this, now you do too.
Steady, quality sleep isn't a luxury. It's not laziness. It's not wasted time. It's a vital part of healthy aging. It's one of the kindest things you can do for yourself. Sweet dreams. Your heart depends on them.